Hello, my name is Jayson Wallace. I'm the service director here at DY Concrete Pumps. I wanted to go over greasing a little bit. That is probably the most important thing when it comes to these trucks. Most places will have PM schedules set up for the chassis, which they do oil changes and grease all the points on the chassis side. But on the pump side, definitely the boom. I really like to see people once a week get the pump out, unfold it, and grease all the greasing points on the boom. You have to grease the hopper. Uh, all that concrete and sediment and water is going to sit in those bearings overnight. You're going to come in and it's just premature wear on the truck. At the end of every day, you need to hook up to the hopper and manually grease everything on the hopper. Your auto greaser does serve that purpose while you're pumping concrete. It does a good job of keeping that stuff out during the pour. It is not the end all be all. At the end of each section, except for your hollow pin, you've got like 4 to 6 grease zerts, but at every section, depending on the size of the pump, you've got anywhere from 6 to a dozen greasing zerts at every joint on the boom. You'll find your manual greasing points on the back of the hopper. One of them goes to a distribution block and kind of spreads it across the whole hopper. The other 3, one is direct to your upper housing and then to your shift lever. Your discharge flange is more than likely going to be the culprit of getting any sort of grout or sediment buildup in it and clogging up. And as soon as one port gets clogged up, it's going to start having issues to the whole hopper. So we have people come in and these plugs right here on this block, I recommend to just remove those plugs and put grease zerts in right there. That way you could just manually grease straight to your discharge flange. When you're greasing, you're going to want to take a look in your hopper and make sure it's coming out of the top from your upper housing, from the bottom right here at your discharge flange, and on each side of your agitator bearings. You could grease the rest of it, occasionally, daily. Come in on Saturday, grease it. Come in on Sunday, grease it. Can't sleep? Come in, grease it. Wake up having a nightmare because you don't think you greased it? Come in and grease it. Again, my name is Jayson Wallace, Service Director here at DY Concrete Pumps. If you have any questions about greasing, when to grease, what grease to use, you could reach us 24/7 at 682-999-9859.